to make students aware about G20, what role India is going to play in G20, and at the same time, why India is important for G20 nations.
The event which Chitkara University organized was one of the best events which I have visited in various universities. I think there is a lot of focus within this university on startups, innovations, which is also the idea of G20.
There are so many issues have been discussed today. There were 3 speakers who discussed about the politics of the G20, issues related to growth, energy, environment and climate change issues. We had very good discussion. In fact, the students have raised so many issues relevant for G20 deliberations going forward.
Thank you to all of people who have associated with this university and who have joined this event virtually and physically.
I find the student to be very bright and I wish them all the best.